guys, when it comes to survival, having gear is important, and having it organized is just as important. There's nothing worse than not being able to find what you need, or have a pouch that really doesn't suit what you're doing. And so I'm always looking for new things to be able to organize my gear to the most effective way possible. Recently I found a couple of items that are based a lot on traditional ways, but there are some features that I just really like. The first is the Ember Pro pouch by Roaring Fire Gear. This is a very unique pouch. Now, it doesn't look that way, but once we open it up, there's a lot of cool features about this. But also the Armadillo Mini. This is a tool roll bag or tool roll pouch, and I really like tool rolls. I've been a big fan for a number of years, but one of the big reasons is you can just roll it out and you see where every bit of your gear, your tools, your collections, whatever you're doing for this little pouch. This is a smaller version of their standard Armadillo, and there's some features here that are totally different than the larger Big Brother. And here is the original Armadillo tool roll, which they still carry, but they've also got some different color options. Originally they came out with the brown, then the FDE, and now they have the green. And these are considerably shorter and smaller than the original Armadillo tool roll bag. But there are some features with these that are above the original. Now guys, while these kind of look like a lot of other things that are out on the market, I think there's some features that I really like that set them apart. One of the big things about the tool roll, this is just something that I've really gotten into. The usefulness, the way it lays out, and we'll look at that in just a minute. But as you can see, I have it actually packed full of stuff. Here I have one fully packed. You can see how much bigger we can get this. I mean, there is a lot of potential to put a lot of things in these bags. But to me, the biggest advantage of a tool roll bag over, a regular pouch or even a backpack is that I can take it, open it up, and then I can just roll it out. Now, one of the things they've added is this cover. And this just keeps things secure in here. Once you roll it up, it keeps it protected. And this flap just comes up, and then you have everything. I mean, you've got a number of pouches all the way through. I believe there are 8 slots or pouches, and then there are 12 little elastic keepers all the way across. And so this really helps you to get organized, but even more importantly, you know where everything is. You're not hunting through your packs. You're not looking around in different areas of your bag. Everything's just laid out. Now, one thing they've added also is this little zippered compartment. This is a YKK zipper, just opens up, and you can put a lot of items in here that won't fit into the slots or the pouches. And so I thought this was a really smart move on their part. It does have the paracord pulls. Also, you'll notice that the 2 tones. So we have the light pouches here, and then we have the green here, so it kind of sets it apart. I mean, there's a lot of little things like that that I just personally like. Then we can just close it up. I can roll this up, and then I can fit this wherever I want to. I mean, it'll slide right down into a backpack, or obviously we can carry it just like it is. These straps are fully adjustable as well. So we take it, cinch it down. We have a nice little grab handle. It is reinforced box X stitching, and this has been stitched as well. You've got a couple of D-rings on either side, and then you have the removable shoulder strap. Now you have a nice sturdy grab handle, but also you have a shoulder strap. This is fully adjustable. You can just slide it over your shoulder. It gives you hands free. You can put it over, carry it like this, and again, you can adjust this to whatever you want to. The handle is reinforced, so it's really easy to carry, especially if you have a lot of tools in here. But this can be removed if you want. You can slip it into your pack, or you can just put it somewhere separate. Now, this is made from cotton canvas duckware, and they have added water-resistant coating to it to keep your gear from getting wet and out of the elements. You can see it just runs right off. Now, you're going to get it into the strapping a little bit, but your contents are going to be good to go. And right here is where the pocket is, where the water was being dumped. There is nothing coming through. This is the original pouch, and I'm just going to show you some of the differences. Here I have a knife collection. I've actually taken a few out, but you can see that you have a lot of slots. It's on both sides. There's not a cover. It goes all the way out. We do have a Velcro little pocket section here, and I believe there's 2 here, and then on the other side there's 2. But so it's been upgraded with the zipper, with the flap, and it's made a little bit smaller. This is actually 26 inches open, and it's about 14 inches wide. With the Mini, again, roll it out, It's right at 19 inches in length and 11 inches wide. So it's definitely smaller, more compact, and yet you've got these extra features to it. When it's rolled up, it's 11 inches in length and it's 5.5 inches in diameter. And then here with the big one, it's 14 inches in length and it's 7 inches in diameter. And the original does come in that brown, but it also comes in the light FDE. And again, the Mini does come in 3 different colors. Now the price on the Armadillo Mini is $39.99 on the RoaringFireGear.com website. And that has a lifetime warranty on it and it's free shipping. Now the Ember Pro is deceptive because it looks like every other pouch out on the market, just like their standard Ember pouch. And this is just one of the little small pouches, high vis, color, a lot of different, organizing features to it. But the one thing about the Pro is there are some hidden things in here that really set it apart. And first off, it's 1000 denier Cordura, high tensile strength webbing. You have a shock cord up here and you have a hook and loop field, where you can put whatever patch you want to on here. Has a really nice sturdy grab handle. You'll notice immediately that there are 2 zippered compartments. And so we're going to look at that, and then we have webbing on the back, reinforced at the bottom. Now the big thing about this is the front pouch. We just open it up and you've got all this room for your EDC gear. And I love the high vis contrast difference. We have the elastic keepers all throughout, and then we have 2 slots in the back to put a lot of stuff in the back. And this gives you you can put a whole survival kit in here, you can put a med kit, you can put whatever you want to, EDC items, and it's very compact. Has a little tether to be able to keep either your keys or some kind of small light, and this is removable. This also features YKK zippers with paracord pulls, and there are double zippers. We'll get that around. But what I really love about this compartment in the back, we also have YKK zippers as well. Open it up. Now we have a very special compartment to put all of your kind of electronic stuff, whether it's a battery backup in this mesh netting. We have something for our Olight flashlight to recharge it. I have a standard USB cable, charging cable, my phone cable, and I have another little battery backup in here as well. And I can see everything that's in here. Again, YKK zippers here, and then we can pull out whatever we need to, and it's fairly large. You can see I have one of the dark energy power banks. These are really great. And so there's just a lot you can do if you need to charge your phone, charge whatever. You have that in the back. We live in an electronics world, and it keeps everything really super organized. You could also put toiletry items in the back in here if you wanted to, and really whatever you want to put in here. But I just think that it's really designed for this, and I think it goes well. There is a separation here, so you have 2 pouches, and it's just a nice looking pouch. And even though this thing is stuffed, I mean, it just feels like good solid quality. The 1000 denier is going to hold up very well, and just a good solid pack. So you have your standard organizational stuff, and then in the back you've got all of your electronics covered, and just a neat pouch. It's a little over 8 inches in height. It's about 7 inches across, and it's about 2 inches. Obviously it's a little bit larger than that because we've got this packed out. But you can see it's just one of your standard pouch sizes. This can be dropped into a backpack, and you've got everything organized in here. Just great for whatever, admin, survival, again, electronics. And these run $36.99 on the Roaring Fire Gear website. Again, free shipping, lifetime warranty. Now, one thing too I do want to mention is this is not an affiliate. I'm not getting paid for this, not a sponsored deal. I just really like the guys over at Roaring Fire, and they've just really put out some pretty innovative stuff. Very traditional looking, and yet they have a lot of extra features. So guys, if you're looking for something that's a little bit out of the ordinary, that gives you some extra features to get your gear organized, check out the Roaring Fire Gear Armadillo Mini, tool roll bag, and also the Ember Pro. These are 2 great bags that in some ways are very traditional, but they have a lot of great features. And I'll have a link down below in the description. You can go straight to the page. I want to thank Roaring Fire Gear for sending these for this test and evaluation and helping me get a little better organized, because Lord knows I need it. Be strong, be of good courage. God bless America. Long live the Republic. and now the minis, and then here is the original, but now I have everything laid out. Oops, I don't need that. It's just very smooth, and I've been really big gear website, and now okay. So it's just a lot of